Hey, I'm Rana with Office 365.
Crafting a great resume can be a daunting task. Showcasing your accomplishments and describing your work experiences in the best way possible is a challenge. That's where the new Resume Assistant in Microsoft Word comes in. It's powered by LinkedIn to help you craft a compelling resume and land your dream job. In Resume Assistant, you can draw inspiration from other professionals by seeing how they describe their work experiences. You can even dive into the skills people highlight on their LinkedIn profiles, and if you have them, add them to your resume to make sure you stand out to recruiters. As you're crafting your resume, make it even more compelling by tailoring the descriptions of your work experiences to open job opportunities. Once your resume shines, you can save it as a document, easily apply to jobs on LinkedIn, and even let recruiters know you're open to new opportunities. So whether you're polishing an existing resume, creating a new one, or looking for your dream job, Word can assist.